What's going on, everybody? Greetings from beautiful Elk Garden, Virginia.
We're at the Elk Garden trailhead. Down below, let's see, the knob shelter up there, Thomas Knob, I think. And we are here with Brant and Garvey. And we are going to meet up, I think, later with Sweeps and Mischief. This is the first hike that I've been on since things shut down with the virus. They're just starting to open back up now. And the national forests opened up the trailheads. So that made this possible. Appalachian Trail crosses here at Elk Garden. There's Brant Garvey in the background. There is a closed portable toilet. And we have cows. So let's get on up through here and hike up. So I got up super early last night and got down here by like 6 and met up with Brant and Garvey. So we are hiking northbound and we are going to meet up with Sweeps and Mischief from Mischief on the Trail. They are hiking a loop. And the portion of the AT they're hitting, I think they'll be southbound, so we should intersect each other about where we're going to stay overnight. All right, a spring. Let's go check it out. Aha, I see Garvey. How can I resist a spring? Let's see how far this is. Brant said it was like 0.3. I hope it's not 0.3 because it's going down. Not super steep and it's not rocky, but it's still going down, which means I gotta come back up. Oh no, it's not far. I hear water. It's right here. Oh, it's a gusher. Full flow going there. Total gusher, I like it. This is an awesome spring. I am going to camel up and refill and keep on moving. Well, this is totally beautiful in this area. I've forgotten what trail like this looks like. I've been hiking in northern Pennsylvania for so long. I don't think I've seen a hemlock in 2 years. It's soft and squishy and damp and everything's green. Oh, check this out. Oh. Moss madness. Senior Hiker 77, how's this for hair? Guess it still lays flat. Woo! So we have broken out of the woods and we're coming up on the approach trail where it splits off to get up to the summit of Mount Rogers. I did that a while back. I'll link the video down below. There is no view up there. If you're a peak bagger, it's good to get. If you're not, don't worry about it. Nothing to see. It is kind of foresty, but the forest that we just came through is actually very similar. The shelter's up here. Get a quick peek at that, and then we'll keep pressing through to Rhododendron Gap. Ooh, it smells piney. I wasn't paying attention. Now I'm not sure if I'm on the trail or not. Dope! Alright, I'm gonna dive in here. Not literally, just figuratively. You can only rate them if you use them. I'll do a partial rating. There's pony poop all near the Privy. Oh, this is a good one. You know what? Maybe this was here. I think this one is worth an A. It's handicapped accessible. It's really big. It has a lot of light. It's airy. It's marginally clean. Actually, it's pretty clean. And it doesn't stink. Beep, we're here. Thomas Knob Shelter. And it's just the way I remember it. Muddy mud skipper. And the water is out back. This has an upstairs. And downstairs. And if I remember correctly, there was a nice view up here where you could watch the sunset. I'm not going to go down there, but down in that corral, way down there, that fenced in corral is where the water is. That was in my last video, I think. If not, I'll splice it in. And something new, the bear box is over there. We're going to check that out when we go by.
Oh, hey, pony. This could be the same pony the Quicksand was hanging out with. Looks very similar.
This one's photogenic.
Looks like it's been using a crimping iron. You're like totally from the 80s, dude.
I'm gonna go right up the nose, I think.
Oh, here's the baby.
Oh, it's by the food box. It's smart.
So, I was going to just show you that mandatory pony shop, but since we have a baby here, how can you not pass that up? How can you pass that up? I'm just going to go say hello.
All right, no fire getting mad at me, April, for filming the ponies. They were just here. I couldn't help it.
Right on here. Ponies here. Ponies there. Ponies everywhere. They know what's up. They see humans and I think they're getting food.
And here's the box. Evidently they don't have the electric fence up. Oh, look at this cutie. You squeak? Can you squeak? You're squeaky. This isn't like getting between a bear and its young, is it?
I was sitting here and they just came up and licked the back of my ear.
They're licking you down. You must be salty. This is like tent site insanity. These things are far better than I remember. Whoa, I'm knee deep. I'm knee deep in pony poop. Something's gone woefully wrong.
There.
You gotta watch where you're walking.
Campsite's over here.
Whoa.
There. I've actually camped over here under the the other one
I don't know, he's behind.
will remain a mystery other than you know it is a he. So he just gave you a clue.
Yeah.
Yeah, he should be arriving any time.
Any minute.
Water in here. Here it is. Spring. It's moving. Okay, we've got home for the night, and we've got Sweeps over there, and then me, Brant and Garvey are back that way, and Mischief's over there. He's actually got a cool setup. So hopefully we don't get too much rain overnight.
I see somebody down there, another hiker or something.
Yeah, it's down by the water.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Yep, there's a bear box there in the middle of the field. This field is just south of Pine Mountain. I keep saying Pine Knob, I think it's just Pine Mountain. On the Crest Trail, not far from the junction with the AT. And there's just a bazillion campsites in here.
I like being alone, but it's more fun to hike with someone. If I can talk to myself.
I guess this is the water you were inquiring about.
Well, this sounds like it runs down into a bigger one.
Probably was. I'm going to see if it's going down here. I think you are correct, sir.
Orange blazing. We are orange blazing on the Virginia Highlands Horse Trail.
Yes, we are. Let's check
And
out
we
this
took
little
the-
campsite.
The Crest Trail to get here.
That's pretty
Is there a
nice.
little campsite here?
Very Pennsylvania-esque with its pine needles on the ground there.
Oh yeah, look at that. And there's water nearby.
Oh, yeah. Not bad.
It's all creek bed here.
Oh, I did get some sunburn. Look at that.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
Oh, now you're tricking me.
Yeah, I don't know what to say.
I gotta watch
We
where
are
I'm going.
I'm convinced we've gone through a portal and stepped into
Trail
PA.
has turned into either PA or the Pinhoti. I can't tell which is which. I'm washed out. There we go. Yeah, it's wet. Oh man.
Yeah, 2.5 miles.
Elk Garden. Alien stone people.
Yeah.
It's Hiker TV. It's the TV room.
Yeah.
What a gorgeous area. This is the top of Briar Ridge. I'd camp here.
Okay, we have a visual on the parking lot.
This lower trail, this horse trail, was super nice. Eventually all the rocks went away. It turned into a super smooth, super awesome trail. And I tell you, time went really fast on this one. Here's the parking lot right back behind me here. So I'm back in cow patty land. Oh, dude. Oh, man. Oh, man.